Hi everyone, this is Katherine and welcome back to Rooted in Design. Today I want to talk about, is a home addition worth it? And this is a question a lot of people ask in terms of their property. There is multiple levels about this. I think we first have to look at it in, is it feasible? Like, can we actually do it on your property? So the first step would be, if you're considering a potential addition, let's look and see what the zoning allows. Do you have enough remaining square footage to build on to that property? Can you expand to the back? Is it going up? How would that affect your current layout of the house? Because if you're allowed to do an extension to the back, in addition, it won't really affect much of your current space. You can potentially keep your second floor as is, or if you want to do a two-story addition, we can talk about how we modify your current spaces to make that flow work as well. So, but if you don't really want to touch the second floor much, and we realize that the only way to add some square footage is to go over, say, your garage, where it's one story. But then we have to consider adding more footing underneath the current footing for the garage because it's not built deep enough to hold the weight, or it might affect where your master bedroom is, and maybe you won't get all the rooms you truly want, then it may not be worth it for you. So definitely looking at the feasibility, how much square footage you can add, how you are affecting your current space is very important. And then another thing is looking at the investment of that construction. How much value is your house going to be appraised at after you do it? This can also be discussed in terms of the cost and in talking to appraisal what the potential is. If that addition is efficient enough where you get a higher return and return on investment of the home, but it's not overvalued to the neighborhood where it would still be potentially a great property to sell in the future, that would be great. And also you have to look at your finances. If you already have built enough equity in your property, you can do a HELOC or any other source to be able to do this addition, and you add more value to the property, and then you can pay off that HELOC as needed. But if you currently bought it and you really don't have additional values, do you have the budget in order to invest in that addition? And is it worth it? We are at a time where, unfortunately, construction prices are moving week by week. We don't know how some things are priced. So really assessing the worth and long-term investment. If you want a quick return, is it worth it now? But if you want to hold on to the property, it would definitely be worth it down the line, because you can add elements to that house through the addition that will entice other buyers in the future and make your life easier. Hope that was helpful. And remember, looking at properties is easier when you work with Dream Select Realty. They can find the right ones for you, and together we can work on those analysis as you're looking for properties to see if you could add those additions even before you purchase the property. Thank you. Are you a homeowner who is looking to expand your home so you have enough space for everything you need in your home? Or do you want to renovate because the interior just doesn't work for your needs anymore? Or are you someone who's looking for a property, but nothing that you've been looking at really fits what you need? Well, my name is Katherine Serrano Sosa. I'm the founder of Rooted Architecture Studio, and I can help you bring those renovations and adjustments to life. At Rooted Architecture Studio, we focus on creating meaningful, inclusive, client-centric designs for homeowners and investors. We walk you through the whole process of designing construction and making sure that you understand what's going on, but take away all the layers so you can sit back and just focus on the deliverables of what we're designing. We make sure that your non-negotiables are integrated and your wants and needs are integrated to the best of our abilities. So if you are looking to do anything that I just discussed, or just have ideas that you might want to talk about what the possibilities may be, give us a call and reach out through social media as well, and we'll be happy to help you. And if you're looking for a new property, make sure to connect with Dream Select Realty. They're the right people to help you find the right property for you and make sure that your needs are integrated. Or if we're renovating, we can all collaborate together to bring that vision to life.